In a bustling city, a mysterious shop appeared overnight. Its sign, adorned with swirling letters, read, "The Curiosity Cabinet." Rumors spread of its magical wares, but few dared to enter, except for young Maya. Drawn by curiosity, she stepped inside to find shelves brimming with peculiar objects. The shopkeeper, a wise old man, greeted Maya warmly. He offered her a challenge. Choose one item without knowing its power. Maya's eyes settled on an ornate locket pulsating with a faint glow. At home, Maya opened the locket to find an old photograph of a smiling family. As days passed, strange occurrences unfolded. The locket echoed laughter and whispers, revealing snippets of forgotten memories. One stormy night, a ghostly figure appeared, pleading for help. The locket glowed intensely. Maya understood. She pieced together the story locked within. The spirit was the shopkeeper's lost kin, seeking closure. With courage, Maya unearthed the truth, reuniting the ghost with the locket. Grateful, the spirit bestowed a gift upon her. The wisdom that true treasures lie not in what we possess, but in the connections we nurture. The shop vanished, leaving Maya with a newfound appreciation for the mysteries of life and the power of empathy.